I'm Charles Sharp. I'd shopped around and called a lot of different places, and the salesperson for AMECO was the best and clearest that we talked to, and turned out, I think, having the best price. We were all both working from home at the time, my wife and I. They did it without even interrupting us, really. I don't even think they turned the power off. Yeah, installed completely quick and clean, and it's like looks pristine on the roof. They didn't leave any mess. We have an electric car too. So we had discussed installing the charger at the same time, and AMECO was really helpful. He answered all of the questions we had for that. Our electric bill is just like the access prices right now, and we're basically kind of breaking exactly even for the electricity we use from the solar that we generate. So I think we sized it exactly right. All of the interactions with the people at AMECO have been really great. They followed up to make sure that it went well, and it did. It was perfect. So I have zero complaints. I would recommend them highly.